How to fix YouTube homepage not showing videos. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if your YouTube homepage is not showing videos. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. The problem might be due to various reasons such as connectivity issues, app glitches or account setting. So here is how you can troubleshoot your problem. First and foremost, check your internet connection. Ensure your device is connected to the internet. If the internet is slow, restart your router or switch to more stable network. But if that's not your case, the second option is to clear cache. So for that, you have to go to your device settings. Tap on apps, tap on see all apps, tap on the search icon at the top right corner. Now search for YouTube and tap on YouTube. Once you're here, tap on storage and cache. Then tap on clear cache. Clearing the cache might help you fix your problem. Once you're done with that, go back and check whether you can find videos in your YouTube homepage or not. If still not, ensure that you have the latest version of YouTube app installed. So, to check that, open a Play Store in your device, tap on it, tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner, and in the search bar, search for YouTube. If the update is available, tap on update. Once the update is complete, go back and check whether your problem is solved or not. If still not, log out of your YouTube or your Google account. Close the app and log back in to refresh your homepage feed. Once you log back in, check whether you can find videos in your homepage or not. If still not, then you can reset your YouTube homepage settings. So, YouTube homepage might not show videos if you have cleared your watch history or disabled recommendation. So, in order to check that, open up your YouTube. Tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner, tap on the settings, and here scroll down a bit and tap on manage all history. Here tap on saving your YouTube history. So, if you have turned it off, make sure to turn it on. There you will find turn on button, simply tap on turn on. Once that, you can go back to your home page feed, refresh your feed and check whether your problem is solved or not. If still not, the last option is to reinstall the application. So for that, first of all, you need to uninstall the YouTube application from your device, reinstall it from the official App Store or Play Store to ensure a fresh and error-free installation. So these are all the steps that you can try to fix if you're not able to find videos in your YouTube homepage. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.